Blessings and prosperity, everyone. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, just wanted to come in and tap in, man. Something real brief that's been on my heart. You know what I'm saying? Just to let you guys know, Tone Prestige checking in. I said I was going to get back to my YouTube grind, back on my channel. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm just out here enjoying the view, man. Enjoying a nice, beautiful day. You know, hey, always seize the moment, man, because there's a lot of miserable people in this world, man, you know, and you never know what life is going to grab, you know, throw your way, you know what I'm saying? But what I do say is, grab life by the horns, man, and just take it all in, you know? Hey, it's the life you live. It's the things you put out into the atmosphere, you know what I'm saying? You have to be in charge of your happiness. No one else can control that. You know what I'm saying? Grab your happiness, do what it does, and make it do what it do. Hey, this is for you. You right there. Blessing prosperity.
Mutual funds, bank dividends, invest in Bitcoin. I need all my ends. I'm on a mission and I promise I'ma take mine. The only thing you can't buy back is your time.